All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving deep today, getting into something I know a lot of us can relate to, resumes.
Oh, resumes. Everyone's favorite topic, right?
Well, maybe not favorite, but definitely important, and I gotta say, kind of intimidating
You're
sometimes.
telling me it feels like the stakes are so high, you know?
Yeah,
Like one little typo could make or break your chances.
exactly. And it's not just about typos anymore. We've got this whole new world of AI tools and tech that's changing the game. So today we're going to figure out how to use that tech to our advantage, right? We're going deep on this excerpt we found. How to craft a winning resume using AI.
Sounds good to me.
So one of the things that really jumped out at me from this excerpt is the emphasis on keywords. Now, I know we've all heard about keywords before, but this takes it to a whole new level.
Yeah, it's not just about sprinkling in a few buzzwords here and there anymore. It's about really understanding how applicant tracking systems or ATS work.
ATS, okay, hold on, back up for a sec. What exactly is an ATS? I mean, I've heard the term, but to be honest, I'm not entirely sure what it does.
Yeah. Think of it this way. You send out your beautifully crafted resume, all proud of yourself, right? But instead of landing directly on the hiring manager's desk, it first has to pass through this digital gatekeeper, this
Oh,
ATS.
I see. So it's like a filter that scans resumes for specific criteria before a human even looks at it.
Exactly. And these ATS are looking for very specific things, mainly keywords that match the job description. If your resume doesn't have those keywords, well, it might never even make it to the next stage.
Oh, wow. That's kind of scary. So how do we make sure our resumes make it past this digital bouncer?
Well, that's where the AI comes in. You know those tools like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor? Turns out they're not just for finding jobs. They also have built-in AI that can help you analyze job descriptions and figure out exactly which keywords to include.
No way. So instead of just guessing, you can actually get some data-driven insights into what the ATS is looking for.
Precisely. You can see things like the most frequently used skills, the specific software programs they're looking for, even the tone and style of language they use in the job description. It's like having a secret decoder ring for the hiring process.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So it's not just about stuffing your resume with every buzzword you can think of. It's about being strategic and using the right keywords in the right way.
Exactly. And there are even AI-powered resume builders out there, like Resume Genius and Zeti, that can help you do this even more effectively. They can analyze your experience, suggest relevant keywords, and even help you tailor your resume for specific jobs.
Now we're talking. But let's move on to another point from the excerpt. This is the part where I got a little, well, skeptical. It's about using AI writing assistants to actually help write your resume. You know, tools like Jasper.ai, Copy.ai, that kind of stuff. It just feels weird, you know? Like, shouldn't my resume be in my own words?
Yeah, I get that. It definitely feels a little, I don't know, impersonal, like you're outsourcing your story to a robot.
Right. But the excerpt makes a good point. It says that these AI writing assistants shouldn't be seen as replacements for human creativity, but rather as, like, superpowered editors.
Yeah, they can help you polish your language, tighten up your sentences, even suggest stronger action verbs to make your accomplishments pop. And something I find super helpful is they can help you quantify your accomplishments.
Quantify. What do you mean?
Like instead of just saying, I increased sales, you can say, I increased sales by 15% in 6 months. See? It adds that extra layer of specificity and impact.
Ah, I see. So it's not about letting the AI write your whole resume for you, but more about using it to fine-tune your message and make it as strong as possible.
Exactly. And let's be honest, sometimes we all get a little stuck trying to find the right words, right? Having a little AI nudge can be super helpful.
Totally. Okay, so we've covered keywords and AI writing assistants, but there's more to this resume game, right? The excerpt talks about ATS-friendly templates. Now, I'm a word person, not a design person, so this is where I get lost. What makes a template ATS-friendly?
Oh, this is a good one. A lot of people put so much effort into the content of their resume, they forget about the visual presentation. But trust me, the way your resume looks is just as important as what it says.
So it's not just about choosing a pretty font and calling it a day.
Nope. Certain fonts, formatting, and graphics can actually confuse those ATS systems we talked about. They might not be able to read your resume properly, which means all your hard work goes to waste.
Yikes. Okay, so what kind of template is ATS-friendly?
An ATS-friendly template uses a clean, simple layout, easy-to-read fonts, and avoids anything too fancy or distracting. Think classic and professional. You want to make sure both humans and machines can easily digest the information.
Got it. So no Comic Sans or crazy word art then.
Probably best to stick with Arial or Times New Roman, yeah. And the good news is you don't need to be a design expert to create an ATS-friendly resume. There are tons of AI-powered tools that can help you create visually appealing and ATS-compliant templates in minutes.
Nice. This AI stuff is starting to sound pretty good. But okay, let's go back to the ATS for a minute because I'm still a little freaked out by them. The excerpt mentions tools like Jobscan and Resume Worded that can help you check your resume's ATS compatibility. What exactly are they checking for?
Think of these tools like a dress rehearsal before the big performance. You're basically running your resume through a simulation to see how it would perform with different ATS systems. They analyze things like keyword density, heading structure, even white space and font size.
Wait, so there are different types of ATS systems?
Oh yeah, tons.
Yeah,
Some are super basic, while others are incredibly sophisticated, and different companies use different systems. So that's why it's so important to tailor your resume for each specific job application.
makes sense. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We talked about the importance of keywords, how AI writing assistants can help us refine our message, the need for ATS-friendly templates, and these cool tools that can help us optimize our resumes for those picky ATS systems. But even with all this AI magic, I still think there's something to be said for, the human touch.
Oh, absolutely. AI can be an amazing tool, but it's not a replacement for good old-fashioned human judgment. No matter how many times you run your resume through an AI checker, you still need to proofread it carefully yourself.
Yeah, and I think getting feedback from other people is crucial too. Fresh eyes can catch things you might have missed, and they can offer valuable insights into how your resume comes across.
And don't forget those AI grammar checkers like Grammarly and ProWriting Aid. They can catch those pesky typos and grammatical errors that we all miss sometimes.
For sure. So to wrap it all up, we've learned that crafting a winning resume in the age of AI is all about combining the power of technology with the wisdom of human experience. It's about finding the right keywords, tailoring your message, making it visually appealing, ADD, ATS friendly, and always proofreading carefully.
Well said. And remember, AI can give you a huge advantage in the job search, but it's your unique skills and experiences that will ultimately set you apart.
So true. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Well, folks, that's our deep dive into the world of AI-powered resumes. Hope you found it helpful.
Definitely lots to think about and apply to our own job search strategies.
Absolutely. Now go forth and create those amazing resumes.
Good luck, everyone.
Until next time.